We started our morning around 4 a.m. with the sound of the trampoline hitting the house and flying over the house. This that you're hearing is all wind. There was no rain at this time. So there used to be a trampoline right here. You see last night it damaged our light. I guess it hit the house, tore up our gutters. And here's the trampoline in the front yard across the street. Okay, so I'm ready to try my project of planting all the seeds. So we're gonna go to the other side of the pond. This is a secondary pond that no longer has any water in it. You can see we planted a cypress tree right in the middle. And here is the dam that was washed out a while ago, and then there's a secondary dam that's washed out. It was washed out in the flood of, I think it was 2015. It's kind of treacherous to go over sometimes, especially when you're carrying things. Try not to spill seeds everywhere. And as you can hear, they are cutting down, oh, there go the mergansers. They are cutting down trees because we had a huge windstorm last night. So you can see we've cut down trees. These are all on the bank of the pond. So I'm thinking on these hills, I'm going to just scatter seeds and see what comes up. So let me put my stuff down. There's all the seeds I'm just gonna throw, and I brought my rake. So let's rake. So I'm just raking up, getting some of the leaves out, breaking up the soil a little bit. And hopefully the flowers will take all of this over. So I'm going to take the cosmos in this area. I'm just going to throw some. And this is an experiment for me as well. So we will see how this works out. And then I'm going to take some poppy. And I'm just going to take the whole bag because I've got so many. And let's see. Put these down. I'm going to take them in my hand and chunk some there and there and there. And I think I might have gotten that a little thin. So I'm going to open these orange, and let's just throw those there. Okay. A lot of people will tell you that pine straw is not a good medium to grow in, but I find pine straw to be nice because it does do a great job of keeping the weeds down, and it's really easy to pull up the weeds if they're in it. So what I'm doing here is I'm digging out the pine straw, and then I went and got some gloves on. I usually do it just with my bare hands, but these vines right here will get you. So I'm digging out a space I'm going to plant. So I'm not going to plant that. I am going to plant it, just not right here. I am doing daffodils and these daffodils. I'm so in love with those. And no, I did do, okay, so on the other side of the flower bed, I did put 2 of these in, so I'm putting them in between these yellow ones. That is a grub worm, and if you find it in your flower beds, go ahead and pull it out. That's a Japanese beetle larva, and it definitely will eat the roots of your plants. And then when they become a full-fledged Japanese beetle, will eat your plants. So I am planting these purple dream lilies right here, excuse me, right here. Let's see if I get right there. So right in this area you can see the purple purple queen, and so I am going to plant the rest of these crocus in amongst that, because I think that would be beautiful. So I have this wheelbarrow in my front yard. It's an old one, and I put soil in it last year and planted, I think it was coleus in it, and of course it's all died back. And so I am going to plant these seeds, this fritillaria. So I'm pretty excited to see it grow. There's not a lot of soil in here, and as you can see, there's ants everywhere. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to build some more soil. I'm going to place the bulbs in, but I'm going to put the leaves over it, and then I've got some water in that bird bath that needs to be dumped out, so I'm going to put that in there also. Thank y'all for watching. I'm getting ready for spring, and even the ladybugs are getting ready for spring. These are ladybugs mating.